Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the email validation. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that the email is valid. So let's see how we can validate that email, right? If I just go with this something, I'm going to validate this one invalid email. Let's dive into the code level, what the logic we are going to use it. And whenever you will see, then most of the websites has email validation, so how you can add email validation into your project, into your applications, right? So all have the same funda. Here we have, so here you can see that we have the input field. Okay, then there's a function on the valid email for when we have the button, we are going to call this function, that is validate email. So what we're trying to do, with the help of the get element by id, with this email id I'm going to fetch it, and then in the message I'm going to get this message also. So this is the also id, so both I'm going to get by element by id, because I need to append, I want to add something logic over there, right? So here the regex. So what the email validation includes: start of the line, at least one character that is not space or at the rate. The at the rate symbol I need. The domain part, again not a space or at the rate. I need literally dot. So means I need the dot one. At least one more character like .com, .org I need till the end. Okay, so this is the complete regex that I am using, that one. Okay, so the regex.test will help you to that the whether the email is valid or not. If it is valid, so it will go with the valid, and the class name I'm going to add, that is success. Okay, if the message text content is right not valid, so invalid email, and I'm going to add a class that is error. Okay, so this is the logic, right? So this regex will help me to find whether my email address is valid or not. Okay, and when I do with this, so here you can see that email, because here regex.text email, so I'm going to get by its value. First I'm getting the value, and I'm going to check that the whether it's a valid email or not. With this regex expression I'm going to comparing it. Okay, so what, in short, we have to create an input field, and whether it's to be a on the form submit button or something, but the logic is that you have to get that email value, and then you have to add the regex, and then you have to compare like this regex.text with the value. Okay, according to it you have to add the logic. Okay, so this is how you can validate an email. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.